Have you ever noticed that taking a step back from someone can completely change how they see you? It's a fascinating phenomenon, isn't it? Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and its relevance in our modern lives and relationships. Today, we explore an intriguing question. Why does walking away from someone often increase their interest in you? This isn't just about playing hard to get. From a Stoic perspective, it's about embodying independence and self-respect. When you walk away from a situation where you're not valued, you're not only preserving your dignity, but also practicing the Stoic ideal of emotional resilience and detachment. You control your actions and responses, not others' feelings or behaviors. Let's explore this concept through some real-life scenarios and Stoic principles, starting with the idea of reclaiming your power. 1. Reclaiming your power. Imagine being in a relationship where you're constantly undermined or taken for granted. Each time you overlook this treatment, you surrender a bit of your power and self-worth. This erosion happens subtly, chipping away at your confidence and happiness. By choosing to leave such a relationship, you send a powerful message to yourself and others. You value yourself too much to endure disrespect and mistreatment. This decision can be a turning point, forcing the other person to realize what they have lost. If they don't recognize it, that's their loss as you move towards greater things and healthier relationships. In the philosophy of Stoicism, it's crucial to focus on what you can control and release what you cannot. Persisting in a detrimental situation not only saps your strength, but also blocks the path to new opportunities and personal growth. By having the courage to leave, you reclaim your power and open doors you didn't even know existed. You free yourself from the chains of negativity and allow yourself the chance to shape your future with intention and self-respect. This act of self-liberation is not just about escaping a bad situation. It's about embracing the possibility of a better, more fulfilling life. You demonstrate to yourself that you are capable of making tough decisions in favor of your well-being. This empowerment fuels further positive changes, enabling you to build a life aligned with your values and aspirations. Ultimately, leaving a toxic relationship is a profound act of self-love and respect, paving the way for new experiences and opportunities that contribute to your growth and happiness. 2. The power of distance. Remember the saying, "Distance makes the heart grow fonder"? This isn't just a romantic cliche. Absence can indeed deepen desire. Think back to times when you haven't seen loved ones for a while. The longing, the reminiscing about shared moments, and the sheer joy of reunion. These experiences are universally relatable, and they underscore a fundamental truth about human relationships. We often appreciate more what we temporarily lose. This principle holds especially true in romantic relationships, where interactions can sometimes become stagnant or routine. By stepping back, both parties have time to reflect on what they genuinely want from the relationship. Imagine a relationship that has become monotonous due to spending every day together. Taking a brief hiatus and focusing on personal interests can introduce a much-needed break. This allows space for renewed longing and appreciation. Each partner has the opportunity to engage in self-discovery, pursue individual hobbies, and simply miss the other's presence. Such a pause can reignite the spark that initially drew the partners together. This concept aligns with Stoic wisdom that sometimes less is indeed more, and giving space can foster a stronger connection. In a culture that often equates closeness with intimacy, it's important to recognize that distance, when balanced and intentional, can also play a vital role in sustaining and deepening love. By appreciating the value of personal space within a relationship, couples can maintain a healthier dynamic, fostering both individual growth and mutual affection. The joy of reuniting after a period apart can rejuvenate the bond, making the relationship feel fresh and exciting once more. Thus, embracing occasional distance is not about growing apart, but about growing fonder, reinforcing the connection with a renewed sense of appreciation and desire. 3. creating mystery and intrigue. One potent way to earn respect and attract others is to distance yourself from those who treat you poorly. This strategy isn't about playing games or employing manipulative tactics. It's about respecting yourself enough to refuse subpar treatment. By stepping back, you demonstrate that your presence is a privilege, not a given. For instance, consider a friend who regularly cancels plans at the last minute. After experiencing repeated cancellations, you might decide to stop being so accessible. Instead of always being the backup plan, you begin to prioritize other activities and individuals who genuinely value your time and company. As a result, this friend notices your absence and starts to question why you're less available. This self-reflection often leads them to reconsider their behavior and ponder what they must do to regain your attention. By making this conscious choice to distance yourself, you cultivate a layer of mystery and intrigue around you. This newfound sense of independence and self-worth not only boosts your confidence, but also signals to others that you have high standards for how you expect to be treated. People are naturally drawn to those who exude self-respect and confidence, and by distancing yourself from negative treatment, you set a clear precedent for how you wish to be treated. This can lead to more meaningful and respectful relationships, as others recognize the value you place on yourself and strive to meet those standards. In essence, distancing yourself from poor treatment is a powerful way to command respect and attract positive, worthwhile connections into your life. 4. Allowing genuine feelings to surface. Walking away from a relationship can be a powerful catalyst for the emergence of genuine feelings. It provides a much-needed pause, allowing both parties to reflect on their true emotions and priorities. When you step back, you give the other person the chance to confront their feelings without the immediate influence of your presence. If they genuinely care for you, the distance will create a sense of longing and realization, making it difficult for them to stay away. Their return becomes a significant indicator of their authentic affection and commitment. On the other hand, if they don't come back, it becomes a clear sign that the relationship might not have been as strong or as genuine as you hoped. This realization, while initially painful, is crucial as it allows both individuals to recognize the incompatibility and move forward. Walking away thus serves as a litmus test for the relationship, distinguishing between genuine affection and mere convenience. It opens up the possibility for both individuals to seek partners who are more aligned with their needs and desires, ensuring that future relationships are built on a foundation of mutual investment and compatibility. By creating this space, you not only respect yourself, but also pave the way for healthier and more fulfilling relationships in the future. This act of walking away, therefore, is not just an end, but a transformative step towards finding true, enduring love. 5. Demonstrating inner strength. In Stoicism, inner strength and self-control are paramount virtues that define a person's character and guide their actions. These qualities enable individuals to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience, maintaining their equanimity regardless of external circumstances. Walking away from situations that compromise one's integrity or well-being is a powerful demonstration of these virtues. It shows that one is not swayed by transient emotions or shallow attachments, but instead anchored in a deeper sense of self-worth and purpose. This act of deliberate disengagement underscores a commitment to personal growth and the cultivation of inner peace. By choosing to walk away, one affirms their autonomy and refuses to be enslaved by external pressures or the opinions of others. This decision reflects a profound understanding of what truly matters and a steadfast adherence to one's principles. It is an acknowledgement that dignity and self-respect are non-negotiable, and that true strength lies in the ability to remain centered and composed in the face of adversity. Stoicism teaches that our responses to life's events, rather than the events themselves, shape our experience. Thus, walking away becomes an exercise in self-mastery, a testament to the power of choosing one's path with wisdom and discernment. It is a declaration that one's inner peace and ethical standards take precedence over fleeting desires and societal expectations. In this way, walking away is not an act of weakness or surrender, but a courageous assertion of one's values and a commitment to living a life of virtue and authenticity. 6. Make her long for good times. Taking a break from conflict provides an invaluable opportunity for both parties to step back and reflect on happier moments, creating a space to rekindle appreciation for each other's positive qualities. When tensions run high, it's easy to focus on negative aspects and lose sight of the reasons why the relationship was meaningful in the first place. A temporary pause can act as a reset button, allowing individuals to remember the joy, laughter, and shared experiences that initially brought them together. This period of reflection can foster a renewed sense of gratitude and admiration, as both parties recall the strengths and virtues that may have been overshadowed by recent disagreements. By taking this time apart, they can gain perspective on the conflict, understanding its roots and their own roles in it, which paves the way for more constructive communication in the future. Additionally, the break can help in healing emotional wounds, reducing immediate stress, and providing a clearer mind to address issues with a calm and open heart. Ultimately, this interlude can strengthen the relationship by deepening the connection, as each person reconnects with their affection and respect for one another, laying a foundation for more resilient and harmonious interactions moving forward. By now, you can see that walking away is more than just a strategy. It's a profound expression of self-respect and inner strength. It's about creating a space for reflection, growth, and the opportunity for genuine connections. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.